Welcome to this tutorial on how to list posts by category in WordPress. In this walkthrough, you will learn the entire process from logging into your WordPress site through to displaying your categories and associated pages, all in a matter of minutes. Begin by navigating to the WordPress website. Once the site loads, you will notice the login option situated at the top right corner of the page. This is your entry point for accessing the WordPress dashboard and the tools you will need. Click on the login button to proceed. After you click login, you will be presented with different ways to authenticate your account. In this case, select the option that says continue with Google. This allows you to use one of your Google accounts to quickly sign in. Choose the account that you wish to use and the system will handle the necessary authentication steps for you. With your login complete, you will be taken to the dashboard. Here, an important next step is to locate the quick link section. Within this area, you will find an option to edit your site. Click on the Edit Site control to move from the dashboard into the site editing interface where you can make changes to how posts are displayed. Once you have entered the editing environment, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. There you will find a plus icon. Clicking on this plus icon will open up a menu or panel that allows you to add various elements to your website layout. In this instance, you are looking for the specific element designed to list posts by category. After clicking the plus icon, a search bar will appear. In the search bar, type in the words categories list. This action filters the available elements so that you can easily locate the one that allows you to display categories and their corresponding posts. As you type, the system will present a list of matching items, and the categories list element should stand out. Now that you have found the categories list option, simply click on it to add it to your website. Once added, you will immediately see that all of your website's categories are listed. What makes this feature particularly useful is that clicking on any given category will display all pages that fall under that category, making navigation intuitive and organized for visitors. Once you have verified that the categories list element is displaying the information as expected, take a final step in this process. Look toward the top right corner of the screen where the Save button is located. Clicking on Save will commit your changes to the website, ensuring that the newly added category listing is live and visible to anyone who visits your site. This guide has taken you through the process of listing posts by category in WordPress step by step, from logging in with your Google account to saving your site updates. Enjoy the enhanced functionality of your site and the improved navigation for your visitors.